Hello everybody, this is just going to be a short video on using masks in Fireworks. Last one we talked about rollovers, so I'm going to go ahead and start a new canvas. We'll make it transparent, and we'll start with those specs for now. Masks allow you to do different things with images, create interesting shapes, things like that. They give you a lot of options. I'm just going to show you the basic way of doing it, but you can always take it further than this. The first thing I would ask you to do, make sure your layers panel is open and add a new layer. This is going to come in handy later, because we're going to need 2 layers for this to work. First part though, layer 1 is the layer that you want to apply the mask to. So a lot of times this is an image of some kind that you'd like to put in here. So a lot of times you probably just want to open an image right here. That would probably be the best way to do things. That way your image is already in here. I'm just going to start by simply drawing something and going from there. So I'll have a circle and maybe some text. And we'll make sure that the text is a different color. Here we go. Alright, so that's at the bottom. And we can actually flatten all of those. If we select each and every one of these things, we can go into Modify and flatten selection. And then they're actually together now. And that will allow us to apply a mask to the whole thing. And then layer 2. Layer 2 is where you're going to want to do your masking. So I'll show a basic mask, and I'll actually use a rectangle. And I'll just draw over it like this. And this is not going to show much different than cropping. But I'm going to take out the color and just leave it like that. And then simply hold down Shift, select both layers, go to Modify, Mask, and then Group as Mask. So then that's the only part that will show, is that part. So that's part 1 of using a mask. However, you could also do it this way. We could take this rectangle and we could actually apply just black coloring to it, but then we could give this coloring a gradient. Some type of gradient here. Alright, oops, I got a lot of other stuff I'm drawing here. So then, that one's all over the place. So then I can take this and apply it to that as a mask. And then it creates a really neat effect with that. So that's what masking does, and allows you to do some really cool things with your images. The best way I can say is it will allow you to crop circular and in different orders than with just a square crop. You can also use different tools like the pen tool to actually make your mask that will fit around contours and things like that. So a lot of things you can do with the mask, and all you need to do is save this as a PNG and insert it as an image into your website, and you got it. Thanks for watching.